C4 time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1996 Chevrolet Corvette Collector Edition Convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 35,000 on this one. Sebring silver, of course, on the Collector Edition. And take a look at this front nose cone and how clean this is. Considering the age and a few miles on it, it doesn't really have much for rock chips, anything touched up. There's a very few small ones, but overall you can see that paint shows well. Nice and clean car. It's also going to come with a 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. You can consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out over 100 pictures of this car online. It does have the correct Collector Edition rims on it. And of course, your badging. Last year, the C4s. Light gray leather interior. Automatic with overdrive. That is paired up to that 5.7 liter. 350 underneath the hood. Would have a black fabric top. That is manual, very easy for one person to put up, and we'll do that here at the end of the video. Check out the condition of it. In the meantime, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Another thing I'd like to mention is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself, maybe due to distance or time. You want somebody to take a look at it, report back to you, not a problem. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken. Of course, this walk around video, and you'll even have a driving video after this where you can kind of see what it's like to go down the road in this car. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, does have power driver's seat. And we'll also have power passenger seat. Just so you know, you can see the controls right there with lumbar and bolster also. Tilt column, cruise control. If you want to check out the exact options that this car was equipped with when new, you can see the window sticker in the still pictures on our website also. I do want to mention one thing. Gentleman that brought this car to us, good customer, has it consigned. The tire pressure monitoring system on these, the light is on. It's tough to find parts for that particular thing, so he said he did it the old school way and would watch it with a tire pressure gauge and check them every so often, so that light will be on. That's what it is. So give you the heads up on that. Nothing major. Keep an eye on the tires yourself. Check them with a pressure gauge every so often. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your exact miles, 35,270. All right, and as you can see, that's just the door ajar, so I don't have it all the way closed, and then the seat belt. So no warning indicators, anything like that on the dash. Here's the gauges are working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temps to be up. And here's the light I'm talking about. Low tire pressure warning system is what that is. And again, these parts are tougher to come by, so it does have that light on. Electronic climate control, AM, FM, CD, and cassette, 1996. We mentioned the power seats both sides, top of the dash, nice condition. Slip around to the back. I haven't noticed any real modifications as far as like exhaust or underneath the hood or anything. So sounds as you would expect. Let's go ahead and pop the hood on this one. I think I can get this one-handed here. There it is. Again, 5.7 liter, 350. Power steering, power brakes, AC, and you can see how nice and clean and tidy it is underneath there. Look at the underside pictures also. Extremely clean, well taken care of car. Slip around and get your passenger side. Check this out over here. You can hear it run smooth. Sounds like it should. We're going to put the hood down. Try those lights too for you. Under hood lights working. Alright. It will take two hands to get it down because of that support bar. So hang on one second. I'm going to put the hood down. I want to try these lights for you. Alright, sorry about that, but let's check these lights out. Good to go. Alright, one last thing. Let's get this top up. Check it out. Wrap up this walk around and you can see what it's like to ride in this car. And here it is with the top up. So black fabric top is manual. One person can put it up and shoot, just a matter of seconds, really. Doesn't take much at all. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything like that in it. This is rear glass with a rear window defogger. Not really discolored or anything. Like the rest of the car, extremely nice shape. Needed to keep you out of the sun or keep you dry, a little pop-up shower. It's gonna do that just fine. 1996 collector's edition Corvette. Sebring silver. Does have the automatic with overdrive, and remember, 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Maybe extendable out to 10 years, and you can call and discuss that with a sales associate at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1996 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. This car is an automatic on the center console, so it is easy to drive. On the dash, we do have a low tire pressure light. Those parts are hard to get, and it's easier to just check it the old-fashioned way at the tire. Great acceleration in this Corvette. Our speedometer, we have a needle and digital, and they're both working great. Fuel is showing 3/4. Oil pressure is good, approximately 60 pounds, and temperature a little over 185. Volts are over 14, that's all good. Fracture radio is working well. Smooth ride in this car, no shakes or shimmies. And if I let go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight in the lane. Collector edition bucket seats in this car. Very comfortable and in good condition. Corners the way every Corvette should, very well. Control working well on this Corvette. There's lots of pictures to check out at UniqueClassicCars.com.